Alright, so the materials you're going to need is your canvases. I have panel canvases, and these are 5 by 7. So depending on your size, you would need some scissors to cut down your laminate, because then you're going to need a sheet of laminate. I had pouches, so I just cut this, I cut it in half. So you just want to make sure your shiny part of your laminate is facing up. So I'm just going to cut these down to size. Some photos of me and my mom after we went on our little girls trip. And so I'm going to be using these. I'm going to have one for me and one for her. And so I'm going to cut those out as well. But I want to show you guys that I have my heat press going right now. I'm using the HTV Ront auto press. And I have my temp set at 400, and it's going to be for 60 seconds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place a piece of cardstock on here so that when this laminate goes on here, it will just stick the pieces that are hanging over. Like, I can cut it down more. Let's see. Let me see if I can fit them both on here. Alright, so that looks good to me. Another piece of cardstock, and I'm just going to put that right on top of here. And then I'm going to press this for about 20 seconds. So I'm just doing this to make sure the laminate is pressed down on there good, because we want that to adhere to the canvas first. Alright, so as you can see, the laminate is adhered very well. I can't pull it off. So I'm just going to leave that like this. And then I'm going to cut down the sheets of paper so that I can fit them onto the canvas. Alright, so I changed my mind. I wanted to make these more precise. So I ended up going ahead and getting my paper trimmer. So I'm just going to cut these out using the paper trimmer so I can get a better cut on here. Alright, so I have them cut out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each one of these canvases and I'm just going to put them like this on top of the photos. Alright, so I have them taped down. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to put them onto this cardstock. You can use butcher paper or whatever you use to protect your heat press. And like I said, I'm just going to put one on the bottom and one on the top. Make sure your sublimation design is facing towards the heat press. So then I'm going to do this, and then I am going to press it for 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it, but you can kind of see that the image is coming through here. Oh, that turned out so good. Look at that. Alright, so there's that one. Okay. Oh my gosh, that turned out so good. So that turned out so good, you guys. So let me show you the photos now. So here's the sublimation paper now after I sublimated onto the canvases. And then this is how they look now. They're kind of warping a little bit from the heat, so I'm just going to put them under a book. But those turned out really cute. So the last thing you have to do is you can use like an X-Acto knife and cut off the extra laminate on the sides. But then that would make a beautiful gift to give. So yeah, if you guys want to make your own canvas portraits for your family, you can even do this in a bigger size. This will be the perfect way to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.